Hey y'all, how are you? I was gonna walk you through my meal prep, kind of what I do for my lunches for the week. This is Sunday. This is kind of what I do every Sunday to kind of make myself feel prepared and ready for the new week. And I was gonna share a recipe with you also that is one of our favorites. We probably do this, I don't know, maybe twice a month. It's actually a dip, and I used to take it for dishes at potlucks and parties, and you dip it with tortilla chips, but we ended up making it into a meal because we loved it so much and like to eat it. But I kind of go through kind of what we do. There's a lot of chopping involved. There's not much cooking, which is nice. You kind of can just throw it together and dump it in your containers when you're finished. But we start out with a bag of frozen corn. I just steamed it. And I usually get like the bird's eye family size. I'm just dumping in. And then there's 2 cans of black beans. These are rinsed and drained, and you can dump those in. And 1 bell pepper, chopped. 6 Roma tomatoes, chopped and seeded, or seeded and chopped. A half of a red onion. See, it's super simple, y'all. A cup of cilantro. The recipe calls for the juice of 1 lime, but we do 3 limes because we really like lime juice. And dump that in. Half a cup of extra virgin olive oil. A third of a cup of white wine vinegar. A teaspoon of chili powder. A half a teaspoon of sea salt. A 1/4 of a teaspoon of garlic powder. And then you just mix it up. Sorry, I think my children are trying to come inside. I locked them out. So I could do this and it would be quiet and peaceful. Anyways, you just mix it and it's so colorful. I love it. And with this recipe, it's really cool because as the days pass, it gets kind of better because the lime juice and the vinegar soak into the vegetables. It's just so good. And that is all you have to do. Look, isn't it pretty? So, and then I'm going to divide it up into my 6 containers I have. I like to do this. You do not have to do this. I like it. It's my habit. Anyways, I like to measure my quantity and then divide it up, or my recipe, and divide it up into 6 because that's how many containers I have. So we'll take it, and I weighed my bowl beforehand, so I know my bowl is a certain amount. Do some math real fast. just divided the amount of this recipe into 6, and that means I'm gonna weigh out 292-ish grams in each of my containers. And these are at Target. I really like them. They come in a case of like 5. They're glass, so they're really nice. So I'm just gonna do that real fast. I add some more protein to it because there's just not quite enough protein. There's protein in the black beans, but I need just a little bit more. So I made some barbecue chicken that I'll top it with, and it's super easy. Just a packet of chicken thighs and barbecue sauce. I'll show you the barbecue sauce I use. It's this company. It's really good. Noble Made by the New Primal. You can see it. It's really good. It's at Harris Teeter, and it doesn't have any added sugars. I think it's like sweetened with pineapple juice, so it's really healthy, really good. A little bit more expensive, but it's worth it. So I'm just gonna top the Cowboy Caviar off with this. And I usually top it with about 2 to 3 ounces of chicken, so I'm gonna do that now. That are ready to go for the week. And usually with this meal, the day of, I will dice a half of an avocado to eat with it. So I hope you try it out. I hope you like it. Let me know what you think. Bye, y'all. So dice a half of an avocado. Y'all, this is my first time. I'm so sorry. I just spilled chicken juice or barbecue sauce. Oh, anyways. I'm gonna top it with this barbecue chicken that I made.